Hey everyone, thank you so much for joining me in this video. Welcome back, and if you're new here, welcome. My name is Quinn, and on my channel I make fashion, beauty, and lifestyle videos. So I am back with another bare face because I am very excited to be doing a collaboration with Merit Beauty for this video. So Merit is a brand that I'm actually very excited about because I've been seeing them everywhere on social media the past few months. They're actually a new minimalist beauty line founded by Catherine Power that's focused on less is more. So all of their products are paraben-free, sulfate-free, and EU compliant, which means that they are free of over 1,300 common toxins. Now this is a standard that is even higher than here in the US. Their products also do not contain any artificial fragrance and are sensitive skin safe. Lastly, Merit has taken steps to ensure the safety of our planet by choosing to be cruelty-free and vegan while utilizing recyclable packaging and offering their customers a really cute reusable bag with their first purchase that can be easily washed and used over and over again. Anyway, now that you guys know a little bit about Merit Beauty, let's go ahead and open this box and see what's inside. So here's a little insert with a card inside. It kind of explains a little bit about the company. And then this is the bag with the full collection in it. How adorable is this makeup bag? It's like this kind of like mustard corduroy bag that has this adorable tie. And I just honestly think that this is such a cute bag. I like how compact it is. I like that you can also fill it up more if you need, but it's just really nice to carry around. It's so soft and so cute. Now, they designed 7 initial products for their launch, which is intended to be all you need to get a minimal, no makeup, but better look in only 5 minutes, which I love. This is pretty much all you need to have a really quick everyday look. My previous makeup bag consisted of all of this. And so, you know, doing my makeup would normally last anywhere between like 20 to 40 minutes, depending on how elaborate of a look I want. When I have too much makeup, I kind of like feel obligated to use it. So I like that this entire line is intended to be just very minimal, very quick, and to be easily applied with your hands, minus the brush that it comes with. All right, so let's go ahead and dive into this bag. First of all, I just want to say how I love their packaging, just really cute, very simple. And I like that everything fits in here, even with the boxes. All right, so I'm going to dig around and find the Minimalist. This is their Perfecting Complexion Stick. So on their website, it says it's not a foundation or concealer, but it'll replace both in your makeup bag. So I watched Catherine Power's video where she applies all of her makeup, and she says that this is intended to just spot conceal. So you want to leave as much of your skin as possible to give you that no makeup look, but just a little bit better. So I'm gonna go ahead and open this. I ordered the shade Bisque. I ordered all this online, so I'm hoping that this is the right shade. But look at how cute this is. I love it. Feels really slick and very like sturdy and high quality in your hand. Coverage is, I wanna say it's like between light to medium coverage, but it blends in so well. So I can see how this really enables you to get that minimal makeup look, because I feel like if it's like any more coverage, it's going to look different on your skin, but this blends out really well, and honestly I can't even tell the difference once it's blended out into my skin. So next we have the brush number 1. This is their blending brush. Now on their website it says that this is the #1 tool in your kit. Use it to blend your complexion products and you won't be able to tell where your skin and your makeup meet. So this is supposed to be the only tool that you need with this kit. Everything else can be applied with just your fingers. So it's actually very nice, and you don't have to have a bunch of brushes to use this kit. So here's what it looks like, and again, I love the size of it. It's actually a very good size, especially since it fits in the bag so well. My other brushes that I carry around like on a daily basis is like this size. So you can see the difference and just how much more compact this is, but it still feels really nice in the hand. Oh my goodness, this is so soft. I love how densely packed the bristles are, but they're still really soft. This is very comparable to my makeup brush that I use now, but it's a little bit more rounded, so I kind of like that shape. there's even a little bit of an angle to it. So it's like rounded and then like slightly angular, which is really nice for like contouring to your face. So next in here is Day Glow. This is their highlighting balm. So this was made for daytime. This highlighter gives a dewy, balmy sheen with zero sparkle. I actually love that because I am not a big sparkle person. It just doesn't look good on my skin. This is so like hydrating, so dewy, very moisturizing. And you know what? I actually like that it's not super shiny, because a lot of highlighting sticks are just like out there. This doesn't have that at all. It's actually just dewy and it's not like super excessive. So I'm actually very, very excited about that. Normally I don't like highlighting sticks, but I feel like this one might be different. Next, we have the Flush Balm. So this is a cream tint that's supposed to melt into your skin for a lit from within color that stays flush all day. I got the shade Beverly Hills. It's actually very, very light, very translucent. I really, really love that. It's very hydrating, dewy, balmy, and it looks like it's somewhat buildable, but it's not overwhelming. Like, it doesn't look like super crazy. I also really like this color. Next, we have the Brow 1980. This is a volumizing pomade. It is a nod to the brows of the 80s. This pomade adds color and volume for healthy, fluffy arches. So these contain little fibers to add volume to the brows, which I really like. So it's not just like a kind of mascara for your eyebrows. And I got the shade Brown. Okay, next in here we have the Clean Lash Lengthening Mascara. This is supposed to be your go-to mascara for every day. It tints, lengthens, and lifts lashes with no smudging ever. This is in Perfect Black. How cute is this? I love this packaging. Those bristles just look really nice. I like how fluffy it is. So I'm really excited to try that. And then the last thing in here is the shade Slick. It's a tinted lip oil, and it's just a slick of sheer color infused with rosehip oil and shea butter for healthy lips all day. And I got it in the shade All Natural, which is this kind of like nude peachy color. I love the coverage. It's almost kind of like a lip gloss, but not super sticky. In between like a lip gloss and like a lip stain. So it's just very like light cover. It just looks really cute. It doesn't look like very pigmented. I really like that a lot. All right, let's try this full collection on. I have a little bit of vitamin C serum on and some sunscreen, and that's pretty much it. So I guess we are going to start with the complexion stick. Here it is. Let me show you guys a swatch here. So it's super creamy and it blends so well. So we need to use that to just spot conceal. I'm gonna do around my nose because I have some redness there. Okay, so there is all I have so far. I'm gonna go ahead and blend that out and see if I need any more and just build it up as needed. This blends so well. I'm actually very impressed because it doesn't, she's right, it's not a foundation and it doesn't feel like a concealer either. It kind of just blends into your skin. Okay, I'm actually very impressed. I thought that this was going to apply like a concealer, but it's a little bit drier than a concealer, and so it just kind of like dissipates and it just like disperses on your skin really well. It definitely isn't like full coverage, so if you have like a problem area, I would go back over it with like an actual concealer. It definitely improved my skin a lot. You can kind of see this was my problem area. I had a few pimples that are just going away, but it's still there. You can kind of see them, but they've disappeared a little bit. So it definitely covered them a little bit. You don't really notice them too much. And it took away a lot of the redness on my skin. It really does look really good considering that I only applied this in like small parts of my face. I'm very impressed. So next we have the Day Glow stick. This is their highlighter, and she says to apply this pretty much anywhere the sun would hit your face. So it's definitely shiny, it's dewy, but it's not very glittery, which I really like. I think that's very pretty. I'm going to apply this right here, I tried applying it on my cheekbone in the past and it just makes my face look wider. And so for me, like right here is where it just looks a lot better on my face. Do a little on the chin, a little bit on the tip of my nose, on my nose bridge, and then just blend out with your hand. And I'm actually gonna apply it a little bit on my Cupid's bow and then a little bit on the inner corners of my eyes. That's actually really nice. I like how subtle it is. Next, we are going to move on to the blush, the cheek color. And I'm just going to apply that right next to the apples of my cheeks. I like it a little bit further out. And then I'm gonna do a little tiny bit on my nose. Just kind of give it a sun-kissed look. I love how it doesn't look like I have blush on, and I love how well this blends out. I love how like hydrating it feels. That actually might be my new favorite cheek product. And then you could definitely build it up a little bit if you want. I'm gonna try to do just a little bit. I don't like too much. Since I'm not wearing any bronzer or like contouring, I'm going to just apply the cheek color like along my cheekbone. And that's just gonna hopefully give me a little bit more dimension. I love that. That is so, so cute. Next, we are going to move on to the brows. In the video that I watched, Catherine Power says to go up and then take it down because you really want to get the fibers on like all parts of the hair. And then you want to take it back up. That was actually very easy to apply because I've tried others in the past where I try to apply it and it gets onto my skin and it just looks really weird. I like that this doesn't have that effect. It pretty much just stays on the brows. It just made my brows like that much better without it actually looking like I actually drew my brows on. So I like how natural it is, but it also just makes it look so much more put together. All right, next is the mascara, and for this I'm actually going to curl my lashes. I normally don't have very good luck with regular mascara because it just straightens out my lashes. Normally I have to have waterproof mascara if I want to have curled lashes, but we'll see how it is. It's not a deal breaker though, because if it's like an everyday look, I think straight lashes are just fine. I really like the brush a lot. It's very easy to control, and this formula feels really good also. It doesn't feel super thick. And you guys, I'm actually pretty impressed that this did not completely straighten up my lashes. I'm actually going to let this dry and then apply a second coat to see if I can retain some of that curl, because it definitely did stay curled, which I am very surprised by, because normally regular mascara just straightens out my lashes immediately, and this is not the case. This might be the only non-waterproof mascara that works for my eyes. But other than that, it does look really good. So I'm going to wait just a few more seconds and then reapply this. That looks so good. That second coat really built it up, so I like that a lot. And then lastly, we're going to go in with the lip slick. I think that's what it is. Oh my gosh, I love this color. It like almost matches my lips perfectly, but just enhances it just that much more. And it has just the perfect amount of color. I'm actually obsessed. That is really pretty. I love that. Okay, so this is the full makeup look. Obviously, it took me a little bit longer because I had to unbox it and everything like that, but I just really like that I was able to get this entire look with just these products right here, and it goes into this bag so neatly. The only tool that I needed was the brush. Everything else was, I was able to use my hands. But normally, you know, I don't like using my hands because I don't like getting my fingers wet or dirty. And with this makeup, it doesn't feel sticky. It doesn't feel like you have like grimy makeup on your fingers. So I didn't mind it at all. I don't feel like my fingers are just, you know, gross like I normally do with other makeup. Overall, I'm very, very impressed with this product. The only product that I would say is like my least favorite is the highlighter, and that's just strictly because I normally don't use a highlighter. I think this would be the only thing that I might not use in this kit. But even that, like, I don't mind this highlighter at all, because you know, sometimes you do want a little bit of glow, or like say you want some like on your body, because my face I don't like to highlight, but this would look Really good, you know, on the collarbone. This would look so good just anywhere you want that little bit of shine. But I just absolutely love that it's subtle and it's not super glittery, it's not super overwhelming. It really does look natural. Everything in this line has been amazing, and I'm not just saying that because I'm collaborating with them. Like, I honestly am very, very, very impressed with this line, especially because it is just so easy and so convenient, and you get a regular makeup look in a lot less time with a lot less products. So yes, I absolutely love this. I am very appreciative to have this opportunity to collaborate with Merit in this video. I hope you find this helpful. So yeah, let me know your thoughts and opinions in the comment section below. Have you tried out Merit, or are you open to it? What are your thoughts? Please give this video a like if you guys enjoyed it, and if you haven't done so already, be sure to click on the subscribe button right there and hit that bell notification so you can see more videos like this. I hope to see you in the next video. Bye!